Okay, so this podcast is going to be about how to do unit conversions for problems that are in 3 dimensions, aka volume problems. This is when you have a linear unit like meters cubed or centimeters cubed, and you need to do a conversion. Only watch this if you've already done or are still comfortable with unit conversions from prior classes. This is probably not the best one to start at, but this is a common mistake a lot of kids make, so we're going to talk about it. So on a typical problem, you would say have how many centimeters cubed are in 4.56 meters cubed? And a lot of kids just kind of jump right into it. And it's kind of a straightforward conversion. 4.56 meters cubed. And you zigzag your units. Meters cubed to centimeters cubed. And a lot of you would just plug in a conversion factor. And the conversion factor that most of you are comfortable with is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So then a lot of you figure, well, heck, 1 meter cubed must then be equal to 100 centimeters cubed, right? Except that this is wrong. And why is it wrong? So let's remember real quick what cubing really means. When we have a centimeter cubed, and let's pretend this really is a centimeter cubed, that means on each side it's 1 centimeter. And here it's 1 centimeter, and to the back, 1 centimeter. And volume of a cube is equal to length times width times height, which means it's 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter, which is going to equal 1 centimeter cubed. And the same thing is true for, let's look at instead a very large cube. Let's pretend this is to scale. And this is now a meter across on each side. We got 1 meter here, and 1 meter here, and 1 meter here. Well, remember that also means that this is also 100 centimeters. Oh, wrong thing. 100 centimeters. And 100 centimeters. Units matter. And 100 centimeters. I swear I'll get this, 100 centimeters. So if you were to multiply that out, you would get 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. And when you multiply it out, you get 1,000,000 centimeters cubed, or 10 to the 6 centimeters cubed. So you can see that 1 meter cubed is not equal to 100 centimeters cubed. It's actually equal to 1,000,000 centimeters cubed. So what does this mean for our conversion? Well, you still start out the same way, 4.56 meters cubed. Put meters on the bottom, so they zigzag and will cancel out. It'll equal some number of centimeters cubed. And you don't have to actually make a drawing and do that every time. Just remember, you take your original conversion factor, and you cube each part of it. So we're not just going to cube the unit, we're also going to cube the number. And when you do that, 1 cubed is 1, meters cubed is meters cubed, 100 cubed is 10 to the 6, and centimeters cubed. And then you put this in, 1 meter cubed, 10 to the 6. Let's get rid of the rest of this. And this becomes a fairly straightforward problem. 4.56 times 10 to the 6 centimeters cubed, because those cancel out. Please keep in mind that you need to be aware of this whether you're doing area or volume. If you're adding an exponent to the units, you also need to add it to the conversion factor. So in oceanography, we do this a lot when we do currents because we have to know volume to do current speed. So we're going to practice some of these in class tomorrow, and you can give it a shot then.